How to log into Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can log into your Messenger app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically log into the Messenger app, all you have to do is just open the Messenger application over here. Now just for a heads up, if you're logged in on Facebook, it's going to automatically ask you to log into that account, right? Because this account is logged in on my Facebook app as well. If this is the account that you think you should be logging into, you can just tap on the login button, it will automatically log you in, or you can just tap on login to another account, enter the mobile username or the password of some other Messenger or Facebook account that you might have, and then just tap on login button. In case you happen to forget your password, you can tap the forgot password button in order to follow the instructions and then reset the passwords accordingly. In this case, I'm just going to come back to my previous Facebook account and then I'm going to log in with the same account and it will automatically log me in. This is simply how you can log into Messenger application. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you in the next video.